Hey everyone! Are you tired of thinking that eating healthy means emptying your wallet? Fear not, because in this video, I'm going to share with you 5 simple tips for eating healthy on a budget. Tip number 1, plan your meals ahead of time. Planning your meals ahead of time can help you save money by allowing you to buy only the ingredients you need. Plus, you can also prepare in bulk, which saves both money and time. So, grab a pen and paper, and start planning your meals. Tip number 2, shop seasonally and locally. When it comes to buying fruits and vegetables, buying in season and local produce is the way to go. Not only is it cheaper, but it's also fresher and more nutritious. So, head to your local farmer's market or grocery store and stock up on those seasonal goodies. Tip number 3, opt for whole foods. Instead of buying processed foods, go for whole foods such as brown rice, whole wheat bread, and fresh produce. Not only are they cheaper, but they're also more filling and nutritious. Tip number 4, cook at home. Eating out can be expensive, so why not try cooking at home? Not only is it cheaper, but you can also control the ingredients that go into your meals. Plus, it's a fun and creative way to spend time with your loved ones. Tip number 5, make use of leftovers. Don't let your leftovers go to waste. Instead, use them to create new meals. For example, leftover chicken can be turned into a chicken salad, and leftover vegetables can be used to make a tasty stir-fry. And there you have it, folks, 5 simple tips for eating healthy on a budget. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on healthy living. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.